This is the time of the greatest tension at Indianapolis. Just a couple of minutes before the start, as the balloons are released into the Indiana sky. Everyone knows now it's not far off. We're standing somewhere down in that crowd you're looking at on the track. Actually, we're with the cars on the first row. Joe Leonard on the pole right here, and his Turbine teammate, Graham Hill, rounding out the first row.
Clark gets his way into the lead.
Started out with my grandfather. He went to the very first race in 1911. He never missed a race until World War I.
My uncle was invited to go to the race in 1912, and someone in our family has been at the race every year since.
It's the biggest single sporting event on earth.
The oldest classic motorsport race on the planet.
To have been going for 100 runnings, that's impressive.
What's it take to win? Be lucky all day and get there first.
You look to any one thing, it's like who knows what's going to happen until the last lap.
He hits the wall! He hits the wall! Coming out of four!
There to win. It's the best job in the world. You know, what makes it worth taking the risk? Honestly, it's just the feel of victory.
You can win this race, your name goes into the racing gods.
So you feel like a superhero and you become a legend.
You know, I've been chasing this most of my racing life. It would definitely make my career.
I feel that I have a great opportunity again to do something really special. Just gotta believe it.
It's gonna be the guy who takes the most risk and is willing to end his race to get to the front.
Like, this is the only thing that matters to me. These other guys are trying to steal the one big opportunity in my career, and I'm not gonna let them have it. The Indy 500's on the line.